What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Same day, different videos. With this video, we're gonna look at the trucks because I've been getting a lot of questions. People are asking me to film either the Jeeps or the Wagoneers. So today, guys, I'm gonna show y'all the prices of these Jeeps and the Wagoneers, and we're gonna see what kind of markups they got on them. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I do a segment on my channel called Dealership Saturday, where I go around to the dealerships and check out all the prices. So we're gonna check out these Jeeps, and they got a couple Wagoneers. So hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's go. First Jeep we got is the Gladiator, 49,000. It's a 22. And look like Dark Cars is doing a Dark Cars assurance program, collision credit, stolen vehicle credit. So I'm gonna put that information in the description of this video so you guys can check it out. They got plenty of Jeeps out here. They got this Rubicon. Look like they got every color. This one is a 23. A 63 for it. So it don't look like too much of a markup on these Jeeps. This is another Jeep Wrangler 23. So they got 22s and 23s. And the Wagoneers, I'm not sure what year Wagoneers these are. Okay, so 22s, 112. I'm sure these has the assurance program as well, but I haven't heard too many people stealing these. Don't think you have to worry about these being stolen. This is a 23. 64. This is a base model. Yeah, this is a base model Wagoneer. It's not open, but it's still nice. 2023 right there. Check out these Jeeps. So again, guys, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm gonna be going around to a lot of different dealerships filming what's out on the lot, especially now since the 23s are starting to come in. And this is a Wrangler Unlimited 22. So if you're looking for a Jeep, man, they got them out here. Let's see if we can find a 23. Another 23. Yep, here's a 23 right here. Sticker price is 68. So they got every color you can think of out here. Check it out. Now here's a 4xe. See what the price is on this. 83. It's a 22. It's pretty nice. I actually like these Jeeps right here. See what the sticker price is on this. 80,000. 22. Inside of these joints are nice. Okay, this one's open. Got that nice screen. The interior in here is beautiful, man. And it smells good in here. That new car smell, you can't beat that. Let's go around to the driver's side. This is a Summit. It's cold out here, so if I hear me sniffling, excuse me. Yeah, this is nice. They should have put these screens in the new 23 Chargers, 300s. Even got the screen over there. Yeah, they dropped the ball. They should have put those screens in the new Chargers. Oh, here's a 23 Grand Cherokee. 73. Let's see if this one's open. All right, this one's open. Check this out. Summit Reserve 4x4. Man, this is nice. This is real nice. It's black interior. So if you like this video so far, guys, hit the like button for me. And again, I'm going to be doing full reviews on some of these cars. I'm trying to build a relationship with some of these dealerships, and these guys are really cool, so hopefully we can get that going. Once it get warm, it's too cold out here, man. Like this black. Oh yeah, this is nice. What year is this? This is a 23 Grand Cherokee L Limited, 63. Yeah, I like that black and black. That's slick. So I'm assuming these are the base models right here. They're probably 23s. Let's see what year these are. Yep, 23 Grand Cherokee L Limited. These are locked. Yeah, so these are 23s. Really can't tell the difference between the 22s and the 23s.
12 seconds later.
Again, if you look under the video, there's a thanks button you can hit. What YouTube allows you to donate to the channel. So if you guys want to donate, I'm not asking for no handouts, but if you want to donate to the channel, guys, you can go there and I'll put something up on the screen, and you can donate to the channel. I appreciate everybody that's been donating to the channel. Like I said, everything that I get will definitely go back into the channel, and I want to do something for you guys. The guy that I had working on my merch, I got to get back in contact with him, so stay tuned, guys. I got a lot of stuff coming to the channel.